Now I'm going to show you a trick that not everybody would aware of, because it's not very common. But that is very useful, because when I type in the report, I have to compare the data, the typed data, with the original source of the data that was mostly on paper. I have to compare whether I've made any wrong typing or wrong data. So this was very not an easy job, because I have to move my head towards the computer screen and on the paper to check with the accuracy, and that's very frustrating sometimes. So I found this method that I can listen to what the Excel is speaking to me the data, and I can concentrate my eye on the paper. Okay, so I would make sure that I have a really correct data that I've typed in to the computer. The way to use the quick access toolbar here. You see, normally we don't have much command here, but if you press this button, you can go to more commands, and here I choose all commands. Okay, not popular command, but all commands. Then I can scroll down and find some interesting commands that I would like to use. Okay, all commands. Then I find there is a command so called speak. SP SPE. Okay, speak cells. That's the one. I add in. Okay. Now I have one more icon here. So I press it.
Number 348. 10. Number 356. 23. Number 545. 34. Number 912. 123. Number 456. 23.
Okay, this means that during the speaking of the cells by the computer, I can concentrate my eyes on the paper and the original data, and it's much more convenient for me to check the accuracy of the data rather than turning on turning my eyes on watching the screen and then watching the paper and to and fro, and that it would be much easier and more convenient. Okay, if you found that trick useful, I'd be very happy. If not, then I can show you some more interesting ones um, day after tomorrow, or some other days. I have to organize all of my experiences that I've been using over the years, and I going to refresh my own experience in order to share to the people who may also have to use Excel in their routine work, and they have under pressure, and they have to get more things done in the limited time, and we have to sharpen our saw before we can get things done. Okay, thank you.